Hey guys, today we're going to be testing my smoke alarm collection. So let's get started. Okay, first off we have my HD135F. So let's test. Okay. Now my the piezo broke on my i9050, so the light flashes but it doesn't test, so like it doesn't sound because it's broke. See? But yeah, I've had this alarm for a few years. I have an older one somewhere that I can't find. So, okay, now let's test my i1040. Okay, now that's the i1040. This one doesn't work. It was in my old grandma's house. It passed its expiration date, so it doesn't work. This one is a pretty cool one. It is a First Alert CL5120 PDBN. So let's test it. Yeah. No, I can't do this one. Can't do the 9120A because it's AC powered only. Let's try my SC9120B. Okay, that was that one. Now let's try my 9120B. This one has a malfunctioning piezo, so yeah, see, it just yes, it just does that. It barely makes any sound, but you can hear it sometimes. Now we're going to try. I actually found the piezo for my Pyrex Model A. So let's hold on. Okay, now let's test it. Okay. It was the piezo was being weird. So yeah. Let's try my iFresh 618A. So yeah. Now let's try my 2060. Bear George doesn't like to close on this sometimes now, so. Yeah. Now let's try 0910. Okay. Now let's do my 9070. Get it in. I don't know why this one's so hard to get in. Hold on. Okay, I got the battery in. Let's test it. Okay. Now, for some reason, this i9070 doesn't like to test. I don't know why. Pretty sure it's malfunctioning, so we won't be able to test it, but I will try. I will try and test this one. Okay, it tested. Now let's try my 1276, one of my holy grails. So get the battery in. Okay, that's my smoke alarm collection test.